We're playing Train Sim today. Yay! It's very, very early in the morning for me at least. And
yeah, I'd be at school right now.
So would I think. What time is it? 7:15?
Yeah, I'd be at school.
Our bus would still be going. We'd be like 5 minutes away from school.
Now, today, as you might hear, we're driving the Challenger.
I don't think I've ever saw this one.
This'll be fun. Plus, this time we're not gonna fail.
Hopefully.
Usually I don't.
Why is that just the back? I was like, why does it look like that? Everything just looks black from where I am. I guess I can just look on the screen.
Yeah, you can look on my phone.
You can tell it's very dark there too. What time is it there?
On here?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I gotta flip that switch so I don't run into the end of the siding. It is currently 22:32.
So that'd be 10...
something p.m.
10:32 p.m. No, a.m.
No. If it was a.m., it wouldn't be 22.
Yeah. Do you want a baby muffin?
A baby muffin?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
I'll show you.
Okay. I'm gonna have to upgrade this room. This room's terrible for recording, but it's the only one I have.
This is a baby muffin.
Oh my gosh! It's in a paper bag.
I know, because that's the bag that... Okay, chocolate chip little muffins.
Gosh.
I already ate 2 of them. Do you want the rest?
No.
Okay, I'll just eat them all.
I'll eat chocolate chip pancakes.
I know, this one's right now.
Yep. Chocolate chip pancakes is a really good recipe for breakfast because it's not only just a pancake, it's a pancake with chocolate chips in it. It just makes it like twice as much better.
So, if George makes any videos that I won't tell you that I'm not going to be here, I won't be here after 3 o'clock because I'm going to my cousin's. Yeah.
Come on, give it power. Full throttle.
Yeah.
Plus, I don't know why, but the couplers have disappeared in between the cars in the engine. See, look, they're not even there. The coupler isn't even there.
You can't see.
Oh. Oh, okay. Dang it. Hold on. Oh. Right there. See, there's not even a coupler there. There's no coupler there connecting them. And somehow they're connected. Ah, I got the smoke. Got it. That might be a little more helpful. Why has it gotten so light? Oh, what? I'm clipping through that. I can not look at it. What is going on? Hold on. Loading. And we're back. I'm not going to be driving the Challenger this time. I'm going to go over here. Get my favorite one of the bunch. How far back does this go? Oh my gosh. I don't need 2 cabooses. I do not need 2 cabooses. Get rid of that caboose. At the next single tower, I'm gonna stop. If you're wondering what that crackling is, it's my chair. The chair's old, it's like 50-something years old. Funny. It's a nice old chair though. But it's funny. Oh, you can't see my speed now. Wow, that's so weird. My speed right there is currently 51, and the speed limit's 35. This is funny.